All right, now the word problem. I know this has been a lot, sorry. So take a second, read all this. When lightning strikes an elliptical region, really look for words when you're doing word problems that kind of give stuff away. An elliptical region where the strike most likely occurred can be identified. Suppose it's determined there is a 50% chance of lightning strike hit one elliptical region with a length of 400 meters. So here's some important information. We've got a length of 400 meters and a width of 200 meters. So that's kind of telling us, how long and wide this is going to be. So I'm going to try to draw an ellipse here. We'll just go like this. So here's our elliptical region. Here is our length. It's 400 meters. Remember, that's 2A. And our width is, did I say 200 here? 2A is 400. This right here would be my 2B, and that's 200 meters. So write an equation for this. We're going to assume that the length is horizontal. So that's why I drew it this way. The longer side is the horizontal one. All right, they didn't tell us to, where the center should be, so we're going to go ahead and just assume that it's at 0, 0. And you can go ahead and do that too if it doesn't say anything about that. All right, so since we're going to say it's at 0, 0, we're going to start by doing x squared plus nothing plus y squared over something is equal to 1. This is kind of a quick one here. We know that the length was 400, so that's my whole major axis here. So if I divide by 2, I've got that A is equal to 200. Half of 400 is 200. All right, so that's going left and right. X goes left and right. So under my X, I'm going to put 200 squared. We'll do that in a minute. My minor axis is the one going up and down, and we were told that the whole thing was 200. So if I want just B, I get that that's 100. Again, that's going up and down. My Y is going up and down, so I'm going to put 100 squared right there. If I simplify this formula, or this equation, I've got x squared over 200 times 200 is 40,000, plus y squared over 100 times 100 is 10,000, is equal to 1. That was one of our quickest ones there. It's just a matter of reading the equation right. All right, go to the check for understanding on Buzz, try those problems on there, and I will see you guys in class. Remember, make sure you note anything that you were confused about, and I will go over that with you. All right, see you in class.